Hi everyone, my name is Michael Teske and welcome to my course, Migrating Workloads to Microsoft Azure. I'm an author evangelist here at Pluralsight. You're hearing it everywhere. We've moved 500 servers to the cloud, or most of our on-prem databases are up in some cloud. Today, companies both large and small are leveraging cloud services in some capacity. The resiliency and scalability of the cloud make the move extremely attractive, not to mention no longer being at the mercy of hardware refresh schedules as well as version upgrades. This course is focused on migrating your on-premises workloads, both virtual machines and databases, to Azure. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include assessing your on-premises workloads. We'll leverage the Azure Migrate dashboard to create assessments to determine your workload's Azure readiness, and as important, what could your operational expense look like once there. Then, we'll migrate an on-prem VMware workload to Azure. Again, we'll leverage the Azure Migrate service to bring those workloads on board. And then finally, we'll assess your SQL instances and identify their readiness for Azure. Then we'll use the Azure Database Migration Service to migrate your on-premises instances to an Azure SQL database. By the end of this course, you'll be able to assess and then migrate your on-premises workloads to Azure. Before beginning this course, you should have a general familiarity with the public cloud infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, as well as an intermediate understanding of managing on-premises VMs along with VMware vCenter. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to migrate your workloads with the Migrating Workloads to Microsoft Azure course here at Pluralsight.